Hello YouTube, welcome to another review video. Before we start, click here to subscribe to this channel for more review videos. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Technica ATR 2100 microphone. This microphone is one of the go-to microphones for beginners, whether you're starting your own YouTube channel or using it for other voice recording reasons. It is also one of the cheaper options for beginner microphones. So let's get started. The overall design of the microphone is very nice and sleek. It looks great and it comes in an appealing silver color. The top portion of the microphone can actually be unscrewed, although I don't really see why you would need to do this. There's just a basic on and off switch in the middle. On the bottom of the microphone you have three connections. The first one is the 3-pin XLR connector. The second one is the micro USB port, which we'll use to connect to your computer and power your microphone, as well as record your voice. The last connection is for your headphones. You can connect your headphones to the microphone and listen to the output from your computer at the same time as you're recording. There's a little wheel you can press on to increase or decrease your output volume if your headphones are connected. Next, moving on to the stand that comes with the microphone. You can place the microphone in its holder pretty easily and it's a snug fit. The stand itself is not that sturdy or robust, but still manages to keep the microphone in place. I feel it's weird to set up the legs at the right angle, but with some practice you'll get the hang of it. Once you connect your microphone to your computer, a blue light turns on indicating it's connected. Now with the microphone connected, let's run some sound tests. So I'm currently using the ATR microphone right now. I'm going to switch to the built-in microphone on my MacBook Pro. So this is me using the microphone on my MacBook Pro. You probably can already tell there's a big difference. Next, I'm going to use the microphone on the Apple earbuds. So this is me using the microphone on the Apple earbuds. You guys could probably tell that using the MacBook microphone and the Apple earbuds microphone, that it sounds kind of grainy compared to the ATR microphone, and the sound doesn't sound as clear or crisp, and it seems like it's not loud enough. But yeah, those are some of the things you'll notice when you change your microphone to the ATR. It'll just sound so much better. And I'm back to the ATR microphone. I'm sure you guys can tell the difference. So overall, I think this microphone is pretty great. I remember buying this for about $58 on Amazon, but unfortunately the price has gone up to like $80 now, so I would check other websites for a cheaper price. I was stuck between choosing this microphone and the Blue Snowball, and I just decided to go with this one, and I don't have any regrets. Well, that's basically the end of this review video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it was helpful to you in deciding whether you want to buy the Technica ATR 2100. I think it's a great choice for beginners and new YouTubers. Please leave a like and any comments, and please subscribe for more review videos. See you guys next time. Peace. If you're looking to kill some time, check out my review for the new Fitbit Alta.